managing positivity and negativity in human nature. Ultimate source of all kind of power is human heart, with different instincts, sentiments, feelings, impulses and drives. We Hindus worship goddess Durga, who is nothing but the sublimation of the coordinated state of all these constituent parts of human heart. If these elements combine together to take the desired righteous path, there is prosperity, creativity and happiness. But if they take the wrong immoral route, there is havoc, sorrow and hell. These two conflicting possibilities of human nature, positivity and negativity, are controlled and regulated by conscience. Hence, molding negativity in coordination with positivity should be our whole venture in life. 1 minute thought for precious life.